AI has completely changed content creation. If you're still paying a freelancer for every blog post, this video will save you money. Here are 5 AI writing tools replacing human copywriters right now. Number 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Writes blog posts, emails, and product descriptions in seconds. Number 2. Jasper AI. Built for marketing teams. Over 50 templates for ads, landing pages, and social media. Number 3. Copy.ai. The fastest for short-form copy. 10 Facebook ad variations in under 2 minutes. Number 4. Writesonic. Best for SEO content. Creates articles that actually rank on Google. Number 5. Claude by Anthropic. Best for long documents, technical writing, and nuanced content. The bottom line. These tools will not replace your creativity, but they will replace the repetitive, expensive work. Start free. Pick one. Your output will double in week 1.